Welcome back to lab class. If previously we have solved the first issue through exercise 5 and the second issue through exercise 6, so this time we will continue to solve the third issue through exercise 7. Before we continue, please drag the process with the name load and prepare data in the process folder in the repository. Exercise 7 will show you how to filter dataset that only contain customer age between 16 to 100. Use the operator introduced in exercise 5. Extend the filter example operator that we used to filter by missing values. In the filter example parameter panel, click Add Filters. Then, click Add Entry button. Run the new process with the filter example operator placed. The data should now contain 996 examples. Move on to exercise 8. This exercise will show you how to replace invalid German terms for gender. Extend the process so that the German terms for gender are replaced by the English terms male and female. To replace manlich to male, use replace operator. In the parameter, set attribute filter type to single and attribute to gender. To replace manlich to male, add another replace operator. Next is exercise 9. There are some attributes that don't contain any valuable and or interpretable information, especially the hash code and churn date. Remove hash code and churn date from the example set. To remove hash code and churn that, use select attributes operator. In the parameter, set attribute filter type to subset. Click the select attribute button. In the resulting dialog, move the attribute that you want to keep to the right hand side from attribute to selected attribute. All attributes that remain on the left hand side will be removed from the data. Exercise 10, role assignment. Assign special role to the data as needed. That is, make RapidMiner know of our analysis target and exclude all irrelevant attributes from the analysis. Make RapidMiner ignore the row number attribute by assigning either the predefined ID role or custom role. To assign the ID role to row number, use setRole operator. In the parameter, set attribute name to row number and ID target role. Assign the label role to the churn attribute. To assign the label role to churn, use another setRole operator. In the parameter, set attribute name to churn and label target role. Rename right-click the second setRole operator to set label to provide a better overview. Now we have reached to the last exercise, exercise 11, process structure and documentation. Polish the appearance of your process. Make use of everything you have learned in this section. Rename operators, group them into sub-process, and provide documentation on operator and process level. Don't forget to save the process when you are finished.